Hello everyone, welcome to EasyLearn. Today our topic is how to create EC2 instance in new AWS environment. So for that we need to go to the EC2 dashboard. So this is the EC2 dashboard. So to create a EC2 instance we have to click on the launch instance. So first click on here. So this is a new interface to create an instance. So if you check the options, these are the options to create an EC2 instance. Here the first option is name and tags. Here we have to give the name of the server. Here I'm giving my server name is my server. Scroll down, you will find the mission images. These are different kind of flavors for the EC2 instance. Based on your requirement you can choose. Here I'm choosing Amazon Linux. So in Amazon Linux you'll find a different kind of versions here. So some are the free tier and some are the paid versions. So based on your requirement you can choose. Here I'm choosing the free tier one. If you scroll down you'll find the instance type. If you click on here you will find the different kind of instance types like T2 micro, T1 micro, T2 nano, T2 micro. So here T2 micro is a free one. So here I'm choosing the T2 micro. Scroll down you'll find the key pair. So to connect to the EC2 instance we require the key pair. Without key pair also we can connect to the EC2 instance. So I already done a video, just go and check that video. Here we have the different options. Here we can find already we have the existing one. You can use the existing key pair, either you can create the new key pair. And one more option is there, without the key pair also we can connect to an EC2 instance. We can launch the instance. So here I'm choosing the new key pair. So this is the interface to create the new key pair. First here we have to give the key pair name here. And here you can select the key pair type. And if you choose the format, if you are using putty you can choose the ppk. Either if you are using Windows 10 you can use the .pem. Just click on the create key pair. My key pair is downloaded successfully. You scroll down you will find the network settings. Like here we can choose, if you click on the edit you will find the VPCs. Here you can choose the customized VPC or default one. You can choose the preferred subnets. And here another options are there, like if you want to assign public IP you can enable or you can disable here. And if you scroll down you will find the security group here. So if you already have the security group you can click on the select the security group, existing security group, and you can choose here the options based on your already your available security groups. You can choose here. Either you can click on the create security group. Scroll down you will find the options like how to create the security group. Here you have to give the name of the security group and the description you have to give. And here you can add the inbound rules, like here already default one is there, that is the SSH. So SSH is mandatory to connect to the EC2 instance. If you want additional rules you can add here. Click on the add security rules and you'll find the different kind of rules here. So here I'm clicking on the all traffic and here I'm choosing anywhere. You scroll down you will find the configure storage. So based on your requirement you can choose your storage and your storage type also here. Based on that you can increase or decrease your storage. And here you can choose the different types of storages here. Based on the requirement you can choose here. So here we have one more option, that is advanced details. If you click on here you'll find the different additional details here. So these are the additional details. So if you want, you can find it here and you can use that one. So here one more option is there, right? That is the metadata accessibility. So here if you see means here user data is there. If you click on here means you can write any commands to if you want to launch if you want to install any packages while launching the instance, you can use those commands and you can create the instance. That package is directly installed while creating the EC2 instance. If you come and choose here, so there is a summary. Here it will shows the first one. You can increase or decrease the instance numbers. Right. You can increase, decrease. And if you see here, you will find the mission image. Like here already we selected the Amazon Linux, so that one it is showing, and this is a instance type and security group, everything it is showing. So this is a summary. So it is kind of a review. So if you click on the launch instance, it directly launch the instance. So we will click on it. See, it is launching the instance. The instance is launched successfully. If you click on the view all instance, you will find that launched instance is here. So this is an instance we launched. So it is in the pending status. So we'll wait for until it can come to the running status. This is in the running status. So this is how we'll create the instance in the new environment. So I hope you learned something from my video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.